Hello, HPE 158 students. It's Dr. Piontek here. I guess all of you have heard, hopefully by now, that we are not having classes tonight. Unfortunately, I went into those of you who have called me to ask me earlier if we had classes. Unfortunately, the number that was listed was your home number and not like a cell number. So hopefully you will not show up to class tonight because no one will be there. But I wanted to tell you that, so we're in week 12. We were scheduled to have quiz number 4 this evening, so we will do quiz number 4 next week on November the 18th when we come back together as a class. The Chapter 8 summary is due tonight by 6:30, so obviously if you have a printed copy, just turn it in to me next week. We'll be fine. Or if you have an electronic copy that you want to submit into Blackboard, you can do that as well. So those really are the only two things that you need to do aside from reading Chapter 9. It's over financial wellness. We're going to cover that briefly next week because I really need to set some time aside for you to be working in your groups. So in the course under presentation documents, it's going to be in the left-hand column. You'll click on that link. There'll be a few documents in there, and one that I really want you to pay attention to is the rubric for the presentation. This way you'll have an idea about what it is that I'm looking for in terms of content, and then you'll kind of get an idea when you come together as a group how you're going to divvy up the work. So again, for next week, study for quiz 4. We will have quiz 4 next week. Read Chapter 9. If you haven't done so already, submit your Chapter 8 summary assignment, or you can turn it in next week to me in person. And keep doing those wellness plans. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to call or email me. Thanks, guys. Be safe.